Good. Your name? Morning. Welcome to Baga Beach in Goa, and today we are going to go for a walk. Where we're walking to?
Walking to Candolim Beach.
Yeah, so we're going to walk from Baga Beach to Candolim Beach. We'll just stand outside our accommodation now. Okay, good morning guys. How are you? Okay? Hello. Hello. High five? No? Yay. See you later guys. So this is the main street. This runs from Baga Beach down onto Kalanguti, yeah?
There's a lot of sweet shops round about here.
Yeah, it's the same ones we've seen in Kalanguti the other night, isn't it?
And they have these big bags of cashers. And there's also a lot of food shops. Like church thing there.
Yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. It's quite old.
Yeah, a lot of restaurants.
A lot of them are selling Punjabi food.
Yeah, I've seen that. And another one, Great E Punjab. Where's Punjabi?
That's like right next to Pakistan.
Yeah, it's in the northwest kinda.
I think so.
Black Dog. Yeah, there's a lot of shops selling alcohol about here as well, which we didn't see many other places in India. At some places the streets aren't very nice. I don't know. Could be in India, could be in Beirut, couldn't we? Could his arm blow off as well.
And it's fun. Look at the size of this cow.
What's it wearing around its neck as well?
Oh yeah,
Careful.
it's like a buffalo. So we're at the Kalanguti area, and at this busy junction there's a roundabout, and if you go right down there, that takes you onto Kalanguti Beach.
Yes, what way are we going?
And we're going straight ahead.
Okay, let's go. Be careful, watch a minute, hold on. Yeah, so that's where we were, down there the other night, on the beach, and we had some food and that as well nearby. That looks quite nice, the olive mirror. Hello, morning. There's one of them big biryani pots. How many of these cows you see just wandering around the streets? Oh, that looks nice. Back in Beirut again. Starting to get quite hot, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's very hot now.
I'm sweating.
Hello mate, what are you selling? What is it, fuel? Petrol. You've been drinking it? Petrol guy, likes Jackson. Okay, thank you. So he's selling petrol.
So we've just stopped at this small kind of like cafe type place.
Very hot, they need something to drink.
And what did we get?
I ordered a chai and a mango lassi, and you got a mixed fruit juice.
Yeah.
Enjoying the walk so far?
Yeah, but it's closing. We've seen a lot of cool stuff like cows on the road and the streets streets are like really busy and crazy.
Oh man.
So there is one little bit.
Yeah. So why you want to learn English?
Because I am tour guide.
Ah, in Saudi Arabia. Ah, okay, very nice.
Lot of people, lot of people is Arabian is coming here
Yeah.
and speaking to English and Hindi also.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes come to the India also talking Hindi.
Yeah.
And some people is going to another country
Yeah.
so talking English about.
Okay.
Take your number, my number.
Yeah. So he's a tour
Indian
guide.
number.
Tour guide in Saudi Arabia. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
This Indian.
You have like a Saudi number or something?
Mango
Oh, yeah.
This Indian first.
Okay, I'm John. Okay. John, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, mate.
Good.
So
Maybe
we'll go to Saudi Arabia and make a YouTube video.
welcome. We will make video tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you.
mate. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And my mixed fruit juice just came.
The mango lassi. That's nice. It's okay. I'd better mango lassis, but it's nice enough. Just tastes like mango and yogurt. It's going to be widely the best, but it's nice enough. My chai. And so that man was very interesting, Falcon. He is a tour guide in Saudi Arabia, so who knows, maybe we go to visit Saudi Arabia. Yeah, he was very nice, very chatty. He's in India to learn English, to help his obviously his tour guide. Very interesting, yeah?
Yeah. So that's us been refueled. So we're gonna go and petrol now.
Cheers guys, see you later, thank you. That's a little place. Here we go. Wrong, where are you going? Bardy's Garden.
Let's go.
Yes, taxi. No, thank you. Maybe later, maybe. No. Oh. Amazing Thai spa. Sukho Thai, Namaste Thai spa and so on. There's a lot of these Thai places about here. Don't think they're very Thai that enough, but anyway. Pizza Hut. Tuk-tuks.
Great spot.
Hi, Natasha. Sugar. Nice little tuk-tuk. Nice little one, isn't it? See what this is about. Decathlon Sports Store.
So we just found this cool big sports shop and it has like basketballs, like tennis rackets. It's really cool.
It's cool, nice and cool inside here as well, isn't it?
Yeah, and also I was going to the gym quite nice.
Yeah. Shall we look upstairs? Quite nice. Probably the nicest shop we've been in the whole of India. Yeah, this is quite cool.
There's this cool little ball thing.
Putting. You're doing it at the wrong end.
Oh, oops.
Watch.
That's us officially leaving Kalanguti, and there's a sign saying Candolim up ahead. So, fuel stop 2 of the day is KFC. So, our KFC is right, and I got this like wrap lunch deal thing.
Okay, show us that. And we also got a couple of pieces of chicken. Well, in there, that stuff looks spicy. Some drinks. And I got a small chicken burger thing. Looks
I got
okay.
a chicken wrap.
Shows the wrap. Oh, that looks
Like
alright.
meal there.
Yeah, that looks good. Take a bite of it then. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Onion, chicken, that meal, quite nice.
Hey. This is the third time we've been to KFC in India. Generally been alright. It's generally been okay as well. It's been quite good, hasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
And we had the McDonald's the other day, didn't we?
Yeah, the McDonald's it was only chicken, so it's quite cool.
Yeah, chicken and paneer and
Yeah, and we
veg
got
stuff.
this really good paneer burger.
Yeah. Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat. Doing stop 2, finish. Stop, let's head down to the beach.
Okay, was that good, yeah?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, so did I. There you go though. Confectionery shop. I think that's like a baker's, yeah? Hello mate, how are you? This way. Hello, hello, hello. Back down to the roasting hot heat. It's quite cool in KFC, that's the best thing about those type of places. You know when you go in it's going to be aircon, it's going to be nice and cold. And the consistency is always good. Nice little restaurant there. Nice little football pitch there. Very green. It's well maintained anyway. FR Chico Montero stand. Yeah, so we're just checking out some different hotels. Looking for somewhere else to stay tomorrow. Look at this. Nice pool. And Candolim right across there. Yeah, nice. Hello? Meathery's sweet shop.
We actually went on a bus one time and it was an experience.
Well, it's the first time I've seen a sign like that the whole time we've been in India. Look at that. An all day English breakfast. What do you think that would be like?
Don't know.
Nah, I got to admit, I do love an English breakfast. It's one of the greatest plates of food in the world, believe it or not. Everything has a purpose. I don't know if I'm beginning to earn trying an English breakfast, if I'm being honest. Carabella, that sounds Portuguese to me.
Inside betel leaves.
Betel leaves?
Yeah.
So it's like chocolate on the outside?
Yeah.
Betel leaves on the inside?
Yeah.
It's called ban.
Pan, called pan.
Ban.
Flavor pan.
Flavour pan. Looks very good. And your chefs make it here, yeah? Do your chefs make it in-house?
No.
No, you buy them? Cheating? That's cheating.
Yeah.
Okay, they look nice. We already eat, but maybe that's okay. They look very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Hello boys. Welcome to Goa.
Nice to meet you. How long do you stay in Goa?
Way.
Like 4 days.
Oh, very short holiday.
Yeah.
But we were here. In Goa about 3 days already.
Already. So another 4 days you can stay
Yes,
here.
yeah.
Your mom come, no?
No.
Oh, just with dad.
Yeah, me and him.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Is it school holiday now?
For a week.
For a week. Just for lovely. He's so sweet. You speak lovely.
You speak very good English.
Thank you.
Where did you learn to speak English like this?
Just talking to tourists like
Talking.
you.
Yeah, I'm watching TV,
No.
movies.
No. No. Just learn talking. The service is 25 years.
Okay, very good, very
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah, you're from
Yeah.
Scotland.
Scotland, yes,
Yeah,
correct.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, you're good. I'll give you that. Yeah, spot on.
Please, if you like to see anything in my
Okay, we're
shop.
just going to have a look at the beach. The beach is this way, yeah?
Yeah, not far.
Okay.
Minute.
What is your name?
Monica.
Monica. That's a very Scottish name as well, is it?
I think so.
Where are you from?
We're from South Goa.
South Goa.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice in South Goa.
Yeah, very nice. No beach, but one beach.
One beach.
It's nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Is
Okay.
it like a medium?
Yeah.
See,
It's
dear?
okay. Yeah, yeah.
Let me see.
See?
Did I-
Okay.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Monica.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Lovely
you.
to talk to
Okay.
Yeah. You haven't told your name, is it?
What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. Nice name. Yeah. Please, when you come on the Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
just visit to my shop.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Promise, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
We
Promise.
wait. This.
You sell shorts,
Yeah.
clothes.
So, and,
Okay. How much is the shorts?
This one 150.
150.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
And this
Thank you
super
very
dry
much.
also.
Super dry.
Yeah.
Shorts and women's dresses.
And
Yeah.
women dresses.
Okay.
And hair braiding.
Hair braiding. Well, I think
No
you can
hair.
rule me out of that.
No hair. We
Okay.
need to wait for
Yeah.
2 years then long hair.
Okay.
And
Thank you
some
very
shirt
much.
as well.
Okay. Okay.
We got some shirts.
Fantastic.
Nice
Fantastic.
shop.
Nice shop. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to
Promise
speak
to
to you,
come.
okay? Yeah, okay, okay, thank you. Have a nice day, okay?
Bye.
Bye bye. Well, Monica was very nice, wasn't she?
Yeah, everybody, most people here have been really nice to us.
Most people have been, haven't they?
Yeah.
Come here, that looks nice. Hello, mate. And this road is taking us down onto Candolim Beach. Chandarakant restaurant. Oh, that dog's looking at you, eyeing you up.
That dog looks like a supervillain.
Done a lot of walking today, haven't we, Jax?
Yeah, a lot of walking.
Absolutely knackered now. That's nearly 3 hours. We had a couple of stops, but yeah, a lot of walking. Hopefully find somewhere we can chill on the beach, sit and have a drink for a while, and then get a taxi back to our hotel. And we're going to move down to Candolim tomorrow because we think it's a bit nicer than Baga. Yeah?
Yeah, I'd agree.
We looked at a couple of hotels and we've seen a place we like a guest house called San Francisco. It's quite colourful looking, so we'll go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a nice wee bar, shore bar. Shambhala. Shambhala, I've never heard that name before. Shambhala. Rings a bell. It's quite nice, look at the trees, they're quite cool, aren't they? Wow, that's excellent, isn't it? Oh, beach bound. Let's see if the beach is like. Oh, let's see then. That was nice. Fixing the cushions. Tough job that. Yeah, this is Candolim Beach. It's like shacks the whole way down. Oh, big waves. Lot of fishing boats out there. Yeah, Candolim Beach now. Ronnie's shack. Just shack after shack after shack. And lots of them just look like they're still getting built. I don't know, but I'm guessing they're just getting these shacks ready for the high season coming. I don't know if they're building them from scratch or they've just been lying kind of empty during the winter season. Just sitting down now and got some drinks. Jackson's going to finish off.
So we're just gonna finish our drinks to finish the day off, then go on a wander on the beach, get a taxi back, and we're gonna come and we're gonna stay here for like the rest of our trip because we quite like it. And the walk took us about like 3 hours from Baga Beach to Candolim, and Candolim is quite nice. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like this one, hit the like button. If you want to see more good videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah, well done.